Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Matt. I'm a quarantine-turned-me full-time reseller on Poshmark and eBay. And today I have a really cool video. It's my first time ordering ever a rescue, like liquidation, wholesale box, whatever you would call it. Rescue box from Thredup. It's a, how many pairs? A 15-piece shoe box. And it was $100, but I had a credit, so I ended up paying like $72. So it literally came out to like $4 something an item. I did the math before, but yeah. A pair of shoes, $4 per pair of shoes. So I am going to get it right now. So this is the box, and there is a little paper in here it came with. So let's see. The paper is a like packing slip. Thredup price is $100. 15 pair rescue shoebox, mixed sizes. Yeah, so I'm gonna get into it and show you what I got. I've heard that some horror stories about Thredup shoeboxes that they're like horrible. My friend got a really bad one, and then somebody else I know got a really good one. And I did take a little peek through this here and there because I showed like maybe like 5 pairs on Instagram, and then I didn't look at the rest. So let's get into it. The first pair is gonna be these Pliner platform sandals. They're really nice. They're a metallic suede strap. These are in like brand new condition. Maybe they were worn once or in the store. They're like perfect condition. And I showed these on Instagram and somebody said they were like called the Fifi shoe. If you guys want to buy any of the stuff, let me know. I'll give you a great deal, direct sale. But also, if you guys know what these are called model-wise, like model number and style name and stuff, tell me in the comments, because none of this is listed yet as I'm filming this. It might be as I post it, but I'm not promising anything. Next pair is these Reef, literally like brand new sandals. These Reef Sandals, and this is like a surfing like brand that sold like Billabong and stuff like that, and it's nothing crazy. And it has a cool like metallic threading on the strap. Yeah, so they're just like rubber sandals, lightweight. Really cute. Can get an easy like $20, $25 for those. I know that stuff kind of sells for a lot. These are great. I just have to clean this up with the magic eraser. These are Vans, the black perforated leather. For those of you who don't know me, oh my god, it's such good condition. We used to work at Vans in high school. So I know Vans and style names and whatever. So these are a men's 7, women's 8.5. I'm assuming these are just like a women's 8.5 mainly, but it also says men's 7. And I forgot to say the sizes of this stuff. I'm gonna try and do that from now going forward. Also, I think these are leather, by the way. They're not rubber. These Pliner ones are a size 8.5, women's. These, oh my god, I hate this brand. I always see it at Goodwill and never pick it up. This is Nina, just like a low-key crappy shoe brand, I think. But it's just a satin brown pair of slingback strap heels, like buckly kind of things. What's the size? Oh, the size is USA 9, Euro 39. So cool, 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 cool. This, I've never sold this brand before, but also I'm from rushing. I'm trying to film like multiple YouTube videos today, so I'm not trying to rush. I've never sold this brand before. It is Aerosol. I've heard of it, people selling it before. Aerosol heel rest. And this is like, it feels like a comfort shoe brand, but it's like a heel, which is cool. It's like a nice leather. There's no cracking or anything, but there's also elastic right here, so it can be comfortable and adjustable-ish. US 9.5. Yeah, so this is like a grip on the bottom and it's great condition. So these are cool. Again, if you want to comment down below how much you think I could get for these, if you've sold them in the past and stuff like that. These I wasn't too excited about. They're really good condition, but they're just American Eagle Outfitters, like wooden-ish, faux wood, but leather. Wedge heels. I can't even speak today. So that's great. Like what? I'm not good at this. I'm not good at this one bit. And this is a size US 10. I was excited about these. They have a few marks, but they're like the manufacturer probably did marks on purpose, that vibe. These are really nice Haan leather zip-up boots. Haan comps are all over the place. You can either get like $20 for them or $60 for them. It just really depends. And these are really nice calf-high boots. They have the straps right here, like the finger straps to pull up, like the Fry boots have kind of. And it's just like really nice leather, if you can tell. And it's like distressed. It is a size 7.5 B. I don't know what B means. If you know what V means, let me know. These are a brown color. These are so cute. They're ugly cute, but I think they're so adorable. These are like little, it's like an animal print embossed ladybug leather with a like silver metallic ring around the toe. And these are the brand Logo. Somebody told me they were like on Lori Goldstein. That's who someone told me that was from, because I showed these on Instagram. All of these are in pretty good condition. There was aside from like 1 or 2 that are in pretty rough shape, which it's with liquidation and wholesale, it's really risking it, and it just depends. I would never pick these up at the thrift store, but I got these in a box, so I'm gonna probably sell them for 15, 20 bucks. These are J. Crew factory, and if you don't know what factory means, when the 2 dots are under the J. Crew logo, I wanna see if you can see it. Then, means it's factory. These are just like a suede scallop, cute little red flat, and these are a size 8. I'm like throwing them on the floor as I go. These have been sold at Anthropologie. They have a few scratches. They're really nice leather, but they have like a few scratches, but it kind of seems like distressed too. I love when shoes have scratches, but it can like be pulled off as distressed. These are Miss Moose NYC. And somebody told me they were sold at Anthropologie. And there's a little bit of wear at the toe, like discoloration, but overall it's a pretty good, feels like a comfort shoe, like the bottom, you know? You know how like comfort shoes are bendy and you can feel them? I'm showing one of the shoes because they're not like rubber banded together or anything, so. And it's a buckle strap right here, and this is a size 9. Look at me, I'm going through this so efficiently. Oh my God, these are really cute, and then they're in pretty good condition too. These are really nice leather, just basic Sam Edelman ankle strap heel, and they have that cute little metal Sam Edelman emblem on the back. And they are a size 7.5, just cute, simple, really good condition, no toe marks or anything. Yeah, so those are great. Here's the other one, they were next to each other. And then these are kind of cheapy feeling, but they're just like basic. I mean, they're clearly vegan leather. I said cheapy feeling, and I want you guys to buy this stuff. So literally, I'm not the best promoter right now. So these are just like a gladiator sandal with a zip in the back, and they are really good condition. I mean, they have the lace down the front and then like metal accents with the leather caged look. These are Steve Madden, and these are a size mystery. These are a size mystery, guys. Sometimes you just can't find the size. Oh, here it is. These are a size rubbed off. Let's look at the other shoe. Sometimes you really gotta hunt, you know what I'm saying, to know what size something is. So these are a size, let's try again, bitch. These are the Carrie C shoe, size 8. And a vegan leather upper, it says. So cute. But all these are in pretty good condition. The bottoms are, these were my favorite, even though they're really beat up. Of course, my favorite, I got Tory Burch flats. They're the perforated leather with the elastic around the foot. But the problem with these is, this one's in pretty good condition. There's no rips in the leather or anything. But the problem is that one of the sides had like a pretty good rip in it. Wait, was it the other one? But this is classic emblem, Tory Burch. Oh yeah, here it is. So the toe has a little tear, and then the side has a little tear. But they're on the bottom, so it's not horrible. Also, there was a pair I sold that were way more beat up than this, and they sold for $25. That's amazing. So these could probably sell for like 30 bucks. I'm probably gonna get for these. I just love having the name Tory Burch in my closet, so when people click on it, I get exposure. And then what else have I not shown? Oh, these. These are walking cradles. Oh, they're really soft on the inside and like cushioned. Have you heard of these? They're like the smallest wedge. They're a comfort shoe, leather with like a ribbon weaved throughout and then a bow on the toe. There's mild wear, but nothing crazy, nothing considered damage. And these are I said damage. These are a size 10.5. And then the last pair, I think I've showed everything else, are so cute. They're really good condition, just classic ankle booties by the company, the brand, Kim Rogers. And they're a size 9. They're the Patsy Booty, that's what they're called. And they're like that Western vibe, and they're just really good condition. And these feel like they're all man-made materials. I don't know if that means it's not leather, but it feels like leather. Yeah, so how would you guys rate this box? I'm really curious. And also, I'm really proud of myself. I went through a 15-piece haul in 10 minutes. Crazy. But yeah, sorry if I was distracted and didn't like look at the camera much or look at you guys, because I'm just super focused today and trying to get a lot done. Thank you guys for watching. Really comment down below. Tell me how your experiences with the Thredup boxes have been. Tell me like what you've gotten. Tell me if I don't know something's worth a lot and I totally like passed it over and thought it wasn't worth anything. And just tell me your input, because I want to know. I don't know if this is a good box. I don't know if it's a bad box. It doesn't seem horrible. But yeah, so if you enjoyed watching this and like reseller related content and want to see more stuff coming up and like me talking fast and being annoying, then subscribe, like, comment. I literally am sweating. It's really embarrassing, but I'm honest with you guys. Comment down below, and I love you all. And again, if you guys ever want to chat, I do like post every single day on my reseller Instagram. It's at Why So Thrifty Store. Oh, my ring light. And yes, follow me for some randomness. I always add comedy in my stuff. I have reels, and I'm just trying to flip stuff and make some money. So let's go, follow my journey. If you guys want to know how I do anything in my reselling business, I really want to start making more tips videos and tricks and stuff. So let me know. I love you all. Thanks for watching, and bless you. I'll talk to you guys soon. See you in my next video. Mwah. Bye, guys.